blade itself. Stainless or Swiss made. Not too sure if they use a German steel or what. My camera's going nuts. Been carrying it, so it's got scratches and whatnot on it. It's got a brass pin in there, you can see. Oh, ring land hole. What I love the most is a dirty toothpick. Toothpick, man. Love it. Gotta have it. Tweezers also come in handy. Got a screwdriver, bottle opener, got your can opener, a sharp blade, Tornox badass saw. This thing ain't no joke. And your pen knife, which I love. All wicked sharp. Very hair sharp and sharp, no problem. Nasty. Sets the big blade up. Now if you have it, got no Victorinox, I highly suggest getting one. Very awesome. Very comfortable in the hand. Very sharp. Without a doubt, you could skin a critter. Or whatever. Cut deep. Move light. Don't mind the blood. Nice. A little pen blade, pen knife. It's wicked sharp. You ain't gonna have no trouble sharpening your pencil. This is hardwood, so. The sucker will get your shavings. Whatever you need done. And the saw is no slouch. Pretty damn clean, man. Nice. We got some bacon from my man Redneck Renegade. Stuff is like glass and it's cutting through it like butter. Slice it through like butter. Look at that bacon, man. Oh yeah. Oh man. Ooh. Stay. And yes, although I don't recommend it, the saw will throw sparks. Not a problem. Just gotta be careful. Bring a lighter or a striker. Great fuel. Here, guys, get one. A hiker. If you don't have them, you might want to get them. Much respect, much appreciation. Knowledge is power. Practice makes progress. Take care, everybody. Have a good weekend.